Hi, I'm Brandy, and today we're going to be unboxing my April Magical Earth box. Should be for Taurus. Let's check it out. Oh, it comes in this mailer. I always like to show you guys the mailer, but I feel like by now you probably know that. I always have a hard time with these boxes. Oops. Okay. Well, I ripped that open. Thank you. You're welcome. I like their new rainbowish pattern of their things. Here is my monthly forecast. Ooh, it opened really easy. So they have a whole bunch of little things in here. So this is who does their astrology forecast. For some reason I got two of them. And there's one for your personal sign. Leo, boredom and frustration can weigh you down to feelings of near despair if you don't take action. Clear your mind, your heart, and make time to connect with what brings you a sense of calm and joy. It is necessary for your health on every level to implement this kind of self-care. So that's my message, which seems really appropriate. So all my Leo girls and boys and humans and whatever, please take heed. This is their monthly forecast, and it just goes through every day. I read this typically first thing in the morning. Oh, Temperance. Nice. It's a beautiful deck. I do think I've gotten one of these before, but that's cool. Temperance. This is a major arcana card. And it tells you a little bit more about Temperance. Then on the other side it's got a pretty little moon, so that goes with that. Looks like we've got a little spell here. A little, ooh. I love seeds. I love, love, love to get seeds. I love that. Excited about that. Something about a stone, so let's keep moving. Oh, it's a little project. Cute. I'm guessing that this, oops, it's a little bucket. So it looks like, should look like that. And so I'm guessing I'm gonna do that, which is pretty cool. And this looks like a peat moss disc, which is really, really cool. Nice. Rose quartz, a heart. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I cannot get enough rose quartz, I tell you what. And it's so appropriate. Love is the truth. Ooh, we got a marker here. I think it's a chalk marker. Cool, cool. Mount Shasta New Moon water. That's pretty cool. They must live around here. I actually live very close to Mount Shasta. Water collected straight out of the mountain and blessed with new moon energy. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite things to do in the summer when we can is houseboating in Lake Shasta. Greening earth, high quality oak moss herb, and oil infusion. So I got something else by this company once, not that long ago, and it was the Mercury Retrograde Rescue Oil, and it saved my life. So this is a pretty good company as far as their little oils go. Greening earth. Maybe this will help me have a productive garden, because so far I get better every year. But I was not blessed with the green thumb. Wow. I've gotten, this is like, is this, yep. I'm pretty sure this is Howlite. This is just the theme for me this month. I'm going to have a really good collection. And it's probably going to make a really nice crystal grid. I like the smell of that. It smells like growing things, but also like musky. I don't know, I'm gonna have to read the insert and see exactly. I keep the twine. To be frank, I keep all of this. Oh, hello. Hello. Let's see. I'm not feeling too good, which is why I don't have my usual energy, but I am excited. Sorry guys. I am excited. I'm gonna eat dinner and go to bed here pretty soon. So let me just talk to you about this box. Okay, Moonstone, high quality, all in all, a great stone to make your life more peaceful, spirit, and balanced. This must be it. It's beautiful and it's quite large. Here's my iPhone. Call Jesse back. That's my husband. I'm not calling him. He's already home. Okay, rose quartz heart. That's this, and it's got a little blurb about rose quartz. New beginnings. The pail, the peat moss, the seeds, the Mount Shasta new moon water, the chalkboard, and the marker. All of these are centered around new beginnings. Beginning your journey for making those changes in your life you want to make, manifesting your desires. This is all about your life, about what you need to make this happen. For every person, it is different. Make this experience personal for you. Instructions are included. This is one of my favorite. I've actually done a ritual very similar like this last year, where we planted our intentions and we watched them grow with my husband and my son, and it's one of my very favorite yearly rituals. So I'm really excited about that. This really resonates deeply with me and with how I practice. Himalayan salt, great for detox. Take all the negative away. Greening Earth, oak moss essential oil and herbal infusions by Nature Witch. It smells good. Monthly astrological overview, and a brief personalized sign horoscope, and a tarot card mindfully drawn just for you. So here's the front. That's all that information. Here's the back. For those of you who are more curious about this, last year I just did it with whatever pots I had, and we just picked seeds that were native to our valley, and not native, but that would grow well in our valley, and that we felt represented what we wanted. I think it was almost all different types of sunflowers for each of us. Oh no, I grew a marigold and a sunflower. We had different things. It was great. So we just planted it out in the moon together with our wishes, and we prayed over it. It was a really fun thing, because then you watched physically your intentions manifest. I liked it very much. So this is about the Moonstone, and I think that's the only thing else that I didn't show. Alright guys, Magickal Earth. Awesome box this month. I really like the ritual, I guess, the project. It really resonates deeply with me. I like the oil. It smells really good. I put it on a pulse point and it really warms up the scent, and I can smell it everywhere now. The stones must mean something. I'm really going to have to do a deeper dive into that, because I think that's the third one I've gotten this month of those two stones. Maybe the second, but I think it's the third. And, you know, I really enjoy the astrology especially. So check it out. This is Magickal Earth. They run by astrological signs. So this is the Taurus box. And they're a good company. I get the largest box they have, so the premium box, but they do have two other subscriptions. One was just crystals, which I think is around $10 or something like that. And then one which is like this box, but not the premium box. I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Good night.